everybody, I'm going to be talking about our solar system. In our solar system, there are 9 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Earth is the only planet that human beings or scientists have recorded life, which is our planet. Venus, even though it's second closest to the sun, is still the hottest. This is because around Venus there's this gassy layer which makes it super hot. So it's like when you're wearing a sweater, you feel hot, right? So that's the hottest. The coldest planet is, was it Uranus or Neptune? One of them. And they are the coldest because the sun is here, they are there. They are so far from the sun, and that way they don't get most of the heat because they are further apart. Earth is only, like, suppose here, and it takes 8 minutes for the sun heat to travel to the earth. Jupiter has held our solar system record for the world's longest going tornado. It's even going right now. It has a big red dot, which is a tornado, and nobody can survive that for even 2 minutes. The tornado is super fast, and you'll get blown away with it. Some other fun facts about our solar system are in 1974, Pluto was disqualified as a planet because it was even smaller than our moon. It was super small, and that way it couldn't be a planet. These planets that are too small are called dwarf planets. There are a couple of dwarf planets in our solar system. Like, there's this thing called the stony, it's like a stone road between Mars and Jupiter. This is what separates the warm and cold planets. And in this road, rocky road, there are some dwarf planets the scientists have found. They nearly mistook them for regular rocks or meteoroids that were going to crash into planets and stuff, because these planets were so well described. And you know what? Our Earth has 1 moon, right? Saturn has 12 or 7. There are so many moons some planets have. Like some that aren't even our solar system. They may have 100 moons, hundreds and thousands of moons. It's quite shocking. Actually, if you can see right here, they are so far. And I've learned a fact about them, that Saturn, it has this ring around it, and that ring is seeable. Even Uranus, Neptune, they have rings, but those are made out of gases that we cannot see through our eyes. So what scientists did to figure out this special ring in Uranus and Neptune, they put robots out, they put rockets, and in the year 1965 or something like that, a rocket was sent, and only now has it landed on our furthest planet. It takes so much time because on the way it has to stop and click photos, and it has discovered that actually both of these planets have rings around it. So does Jupiter, but the rings are not seeable to our bare eyes. It's very hard because they have tiny gas molecules. And have I mentioned that this planet right here, Mercury, is the closest to the sun, and at afternoon, at daytime the sky is all red, but in the afternoon the sky goes deep dark blue, complete deep dark blue. No scientist has figured out why, because in the afternoon at Earth it's just regular. In the afternoon at Venus it's a bit purplish. No scientist has figured out why this weird, because they couldn't even figure out out where that light was coming from. The whole sky was plain blue. These are just a couple of fun facts about our wonderful solar system. You can imagine how many there are. Thank you.